we're gonna be starting right away. We're gonna part the hair. Right now we are parting the hair. I'm gonna part the hair to be as neat as possible. Like, parting the hair as when you part the hair properly, like very neat, it adds more beauty to the hair. Alright, so I'm parting the hair and I'm not gonna be using hair wax. I'm gonna be using just hair cream, okay? So my clients don't want the back to be tight, so I'm gonna be leaving this extra hair down there. She doesn't want stress, right? So I'm gonna apply just hair cream to it. Okay, right now I'm combing it out. So when I'm done combing it, I'm applying hair cream. And hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by today, and if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. We do different kind of videos every week. All right, so now I want to still part the hair again to make sure it's neat as possible. When you are making a hair, try to, when you apply a cream or a hair wax, use the comb to cut again. It helps you to cut the hair more clearly. Okay, so now I did my wool. I'm using 2 packs of Brazilian wool, a small one though. I want to manage it as much as I can. Okay, so this is what I'm using. I'm using 5 picks for each hair, and the hair, I have one side short, which is the hair length, and the other long, which is the one for the twisting around. Okay, so this is how it is. Now I'm starting with braiding it down, because I'm going to braid it down. I'm not going to be twisting from the down. Okay, don't forget it's a natural hair. So this is how we hold it. I told you in my previous video that we make 3 of these top nails, these top fingers, for braiding. The remaining 2 are for supporting. Look how I work in, how I pass the hair into 3, and each time I work in, I tighten it a bit to make sure the hair root is tight. Once you drag it a little, it makes it tighter. Can you see that? All right, so now I'm separating it into 2. The shorter one is what I use, I hold actually, and I go round with the longer one. Now watch how we twist. We twist this very twist to the left. Okay, can you see how we do it? All right, so we go like this. We keep going like this. We twist, we fold, and we twist. Focus on the fingers, how they twist around. This basically is twisting around, twisting to the left, but we twist it round. Okay, can you see that? Can you see? Once you try to twist the second, which is the shorter one, you're gonna spoil the arrangement of the twist. Okay, you make sure you keep going around with the longer one. The short one is just for the length. That's the one you hold. If you are twisting to the other side, you hold it with the other hand, and if you want to take it to the other side, you shift to the other hand. That's how it works. Practice will make perfect. Practice with maybe a manicure or a human hair, anyone you can lay your hands on. Alright, so this is it. It's not that hard, it's not that difficult. You can actually do it, just try it out. So this is how you keep doing it. The more you do it, the faster you become. Alright, so for a friendly beginning, for someone who hasn't done this for the first time, that's why you take it slowly. Alright, So keep moving. Now I'm moving a bit faster so that we could make the video as short as possible. Alright, so don't waste much time. And please don't forget to subscribe. We do different kind of video on beauty, lifestyle, business, life in general. Okay, so right now I'm tying them out. You can do this for twisting, like for kinking braid. It comes out beautiful, and you can use any other attachment to do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie them out. I want it plain black. You can actually add color to the tip to make it more colorful, but I'm using pure black today. So look at how it came out. It came out so beautiful. The twist was beautifully done. You can make it lengthy and scanty. Okay, you can make it any form you like it. All right, you can use attachment for this as well, but today we are using just Brazilian wool. All right, so I have been able to do 2 other ones off camera. Let's practice one more time with this very one. So I parted the hair. This section I parted out, the section I'm going to be braiding 1-1. Then the remaining part I'm going to do a kind of weaving to it. Don't forget, we are trying to make use of just 2 small packs of wool. You know how the economy is at the moment, so we are managing as much as we can. All right, so let's try one more, see how well we got it. Okay, so I'm combing out. When you have hair, comb it out. It makes it easier for you to work in. It makes the hair lighter for you to hold together when you want to plait it. Okay, so right now I've parted this hair. I'm making it bold because I'm trying to manage this bowl. All right, so I'm starting now. This is my 5-piece of Brazilian hair, one side shorter, the other side long. This shorter one is for the hair size, like the hair length, and the longer one is for twisting around. Okay, so let's start as usual. Like I told you, I'm working with the 3 fingers. If you want to know how to braid, like how to make use of fingers, watch the previous hair tutorial and you're going to see that. So I've been able to part it into 3 and I'm working in, tightening each time I work in, like I said before. Now I'm gonna separate the hair, like I'm gonna separate the wool into 2 so that I can easily start my twisting. Don't forget, we go with the longer one while the shorter one is for the length. We don't twist that, we only shift it from one hand to the other. If I take it to the other side. Now see, can you see what I'm doing? Each time I'm trying to twist, I take it to this hand. I want to do the other side, I take it to this hand. Can you see? I take, now it's here and now it's there. I twist around with just the long one. The other one, shorter one, is just move it here, move it there, move it here, move it there. You don't twist with that very one. Okay, so that's that. The moment you use the shorter one to twist, it spoils the arrangement of the twist. Trust me guys, this twist usually come out very beautiful. You can equally do it with kinky. Okay, it still comes out bouncing beautiful. You can do it bolder, like can do it in a bolder form, in the sense that you can use more strands of wool, make it bolder. You can do it lengthy, very lengthy, attach bead to the mouth, like to the tip. You can do it in different forms. You can use different stuffs for this. Trust me guys, this is something you will love. Okay, it's usually come out beautiful. So if you have low budget hair that you want to make, try this out. It mustn't be this very style like the one like two-step. You can equally make it all round one braiding down. You can equally flog the down, like flog it, and you can equally braid it. You can equally twist from the down. All right, so the most important aspect we are taking here today is the twisting. You see how to twist it around. Don't forget, I only twist round the long one. I only take the shorter one from one hand to the other. I'm just rotating, turning it around. I'm still gonna show you another way of doing this very twist, okay, in my next video. If you guys really want me to do it, I'm gonna show you again. Just leave that on your comment section. So I'm done with this length. I'm gonna tie it. After tying it, I cut out the excess remaining and keep it because I'm gonna use it to do the Ghana weaving at the front. Don't forget, this is being done with just 2 packs of small Brazilian wool that cost about 150 naira each, making up 300. So you can actually do your hair on a low budget. All right, so that's that. Hope you like the twist. You can do it lengthy. Look at how it comes out. Okay, can you see that? It looks beautiful, trust me. So this is the extent I got to. This one I'm gonna leave it right now. I'm still gonna do it one, but I want to first of all braid, like do this Ghana weaving first. So right now doing the Ghana weaving. I'm not gonna be so in depth with the details of this Ghana weaving because it's not actually what we want to do today. I'm just trying to show you what I have for the hair, like how I want the hair to look like. So I'm doing the Ghana weaving. After this Ghana weaving, I'm gonna go to the one I cut out. Okay, so the Ghana weaving you can still learn here though if you can, but this is not what I want us to grab today. All right, so let's get it done. So this is it. So after doing this Ghana weaving, I'm going to quickly finish up the Ghana weaving off camera, then I'll go back to the one I cut out before. I hope we got the twisting already. Try it. Now let's do this very one. I'm going to do it one now, still boldly, because I'm trying to make sure that wool is enough for this hair. All right, hope you got it, and watch how it came out. It came out simple and beautiful. All right, so this is it. Check it out. All right.